Hi everyone, welcome to my place. I'm here and I'm offering a 2-for-1 today. Is that what I'm saying? Yes, that is what I'm saying. I've had a lovely call with a little girl who's getting married and she is on a budget. The other issue that she has is she's getting married just after the holidays and Christmas. She cannot find a florist. She wanted hydrangeas and peonies, and it's the wrong season in the Northern Hemisphere. I said, we have a solution. She said, can I use artificial? And I replied, you can do whatever you want, and if it solves a problem, my flowers are so good that you can't even tell whether they're fresh or artificial. Then when I was putting them together for her, I thought, you know what? There might be people out there that are wanting a soft approach to Christmas and the holidays. And this is what I'm sharing with Debbie. And I think it was Debbie. No, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was Debbie. So, sorry, Debbie, you said not to say anything because your aunts watch this. But never mind, it's too late. It's been out now. Anyway, I want to share how quick and easy it is. Right, to begin, I've shown you how to use my Cheats chalk paint recipe onto the outside of a jar. Works a treat. So this is the one that I showed you the last time, and the recipe is 1/4 cup of plaster of Paris mixed in with 1/4 cup or 1/3 cup of water. Add that, when well mixed, to 1 cup of flat matte acrylic paint, slap it on 2 coats, let it dry between each coat, and then what I did was I just used a little bit of sandpaper and just buffed back a few of these areas here just to give it that organic-y, shabby chic look. The other thing I've done is I have tied this up with a bit of string. And then, because my wee bride wanted a little bit of gilding and a little bit of gold, and because I was thinking this is a 2-for-1, let's put a bit of Christmas into this, what I have done is I have made these little leaves, and let me just show you what they look like. I made these out of air dry clay, which you'll be able to see if you look back through the other segments that I've got up there on air dry clay. I love these. And what I had done was I just put a little bit of tea onto them and then thought, oh no, let's put a little lift of light into it. So that's when I used the gold leaf, and I'll show you how to do gilding in due course. It's so easy doing this, and it just, look, I didn't want it perfect. I just wanted it like just little hints, a little bit raw and organic. That's what we're into here at Astar's Place with this design. Right, get your jar, and we are going to put in a little bit of eucalyptus. Shove it in. This is as if just picked. We don't want anything fussy, just loose and informal. So putting the eucalyptus in is a really lovely complement with the cream of the vase. The next to go into here is the lovely peonies. Look at that peony, look at that, and look at that. And these are just perfect. The perfect colorways, I thought, for something soft and gentle. So we've got 2 of those. Oh, the label needs to come off, but never mind. And there is no right and wrong way for placing these. One can go into there, one can go into there, and with the third one, I'm just going to bend that up. You can cut these off if you want to, but I don't want to cut because once you cut, you can never go back. So I've got one to there, and one over to there. I've also got I love this. Look at that, lovely blush. Gorgeous hydrangea. So I've just bent that up as well. That can go into there, down into there. So as I said, I just wanted this to look like it was just picked and thrown in. Now with the lovely hellebore, I'm going to put that into there. And you know what, with just a few flowers, you can create a beautiful picture. Now, I've also got some lovely, I love these snowberries. They are so lovely. I'm just gonna push that down into there. So you've got all these lovely textures that are all starting to build this beautiful picture. And because it's Christmas and holiday time, and it's going to be that time of the year when you can go off and find cones and things, just by adding those into there, you add another texture. Now there's no right way and there's no wrong way. If you want that out a wee bit further, you can just lift that down. So now you've got all of these colours connecting into your vase, which is creating this beautiful picture. And then with the little gold leaves down the bottom, that's all reflecting up into the top. Now, for those of you who are thinking, this could be quite nice for Christmas, what about a nice little bobbly ball? Putting one into the, hold on, I'll just put that into there. You can fix these in perfectly, of course, at your place, but hold on, I just want to get rid of that and get that down into there because that's annoying me. And then this you could perhaps just, just going to put those, I think that the gold into the centre is going to be just gorgeous. Look at that. Lining the wedding table or lining the table for Christmas. Look at that beautiful picture. And then if you wanted to further enhance it even more, what about nice little candlesticks that are up above it or clustered around it to form that beautiful picture of soft and gentle and romantic. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed putting it together. And how quick and easy was it? See you again another day.